Hello everyone, welcome back. You're watching Tarot Mystic 1111 and let's see what are the messages that wants to shine lights for you. What does the universe wants you to know? Okay, let's see. Oh my god, I'm getting a couple of messages here. I'm getting the Lovers card, which is Gemini energy. So this is a soulmate connection, and yes, this is a secret admirer. This person has strong, amazing feelings for you, and they just can't stop thinking about you. But I feel with the Ten of Wands here and the Emperor energy, this person has certain responsibilities, could be financial responsibilities as well. Maybe, they have strong father wounds. So yes, this person is actually trying to take a step back and think like how they're going to approach you. They are going to definitely take action towards you because this is a very action oriented card. But I feel there is some sort of a stress or some responsibility that's holding them back. But this person is making their way towards you very, very quickly.